picture, you know.
What's her phone then?
I don't know.
No, my phone.
Yeah, that flag can go bad at me, you know.
Am I in a roof now?
Hold on. Hold on, let me type something. I got you, let me see. Behind you. See me, I want to take some picture with the phone.
My phone full. Remember my phone?
Some picture.
Yeah, we have to go text her phone.
She wants some picture. I want a few pictures tonight. So we are currently en route to meet the party leader in Trout Hall. Comrade Bunting would have joined us in Spalding.
Yes, Sheldon.
Let me remind you of the routes that we'll be taking for today. We will be starting in Trout Hall, back through the town of Spalding. We will be going through Ninthurn, Smithville, to Thompsontown. We would have gone into Thompsontown. Then we will be going to Victoria Belcaris. When we would have reached Belcaris, we are going to go up into Cumberland Banana Ground, then back down into Reaches. Then we would be going to Sanguinetti, Ferron, Tweedside, and then over to Silent Hill. After we would have left Silent Hill, we will be heading into the town of Spalding. For those who are home, the new protocol says that we can't stop to meet and greet, so you can definitely come out, wave your flag, wave your shirt, put up your fist, but there will be no meet and greet. You see which one? I'm right there, right? You see me shining?
Right, that's it.
So you can't sit back. We are now going through Sanguinetti en route to Trout Hall to meet the party leader. PNP is still live and well. We are waiting on the 3rd of September to send the strongest signal that Andrew Holness and his friends will never expect, because we're expecting 43 clean sweep. For those who are just joining us, Comrade Bunting is with us, Comrade Azan is with us, Comrade Councillor Trevor Gordon is with us, Comrade Shirley from the Thompsontown Division, Councillor Caretaker, former Councillor is with us, Comrade Steve Williams from the Reaches Division is with us, Councillor Caretaker, and I am very sure that Comrade Dixon, Bridget Dixon, is with us on live with us this morning. She was out because of illnesses, but I know she's with us on live this morning. Want to big up the woman, Comrade Dixon. Want to big up our campaign manager, Mrs. Natalie Walker Rose, and the entire campaign team of Northwestern Clarendon. We want to also big up those overseas. We want to big up Comrade Natalie Walker Rose, our hard-working campaign manager. Want to big up 100 from Frankfield, Chop Up, the boss driver. Big up over Silent Hill, big up Cumberland, Belcaris, Reaches, Twitside, Ferran, Alston, Frankfield, Cowpen, Carty Hill. Want to big up everybody because PNP is strong and well. Going through the town of Sanguinetti. This is a multi-purpose court and field that was constructed by Richard Azan. Also the community center in Silent Hill was also constructed by Richard Azan. So for those who can't join us on the hold on. Yeah man, big up those over in New York, big up those in America, Canada, England, anywhere in the world that you are and you're a supporter of the People's National Party. We want to big up everybody. Big up big youth in New York from Mr. Rose in Spaldings. Big up. We want to big up the hard-working police officers of this country. And we want to lift our hats to the nurses and doctors of this country, our frontline workers during this pandemic. We salute you for your tremendous work that you have given to our nation. And we want to big up the sports officers coming from Mr. Colin. Big up the sports officers. Big up Raquel, big up Leon, big up Dr. Lee. Yeah man, today's a big up day. Big up Vanessa, big up Florida, big up Colleen, big up Sunshine Blake, big up Claudette Edwards, big up Marlene Anderson, big up Kylene Hall, big up Greg Dolson. Big up Fitzroy. Big up the whole PNP massive. Big up Tamika Palmer. Alright, me now big you up. You don't need big up. Big up Nicky Nix. Again, for those who are joining us, we are now heading to Frankfield to meet the most honorable, the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. I want to big up the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, the most honorable Dr. Peter David Phillips. Big up our campaign director, Philip Paulwell, our great General Secretary, Julian Robinson. Big up the entire Clarendon massive. Big up Dr. Brennan down there in Chapelton. We're going to send back Nesta to Kingston. When they reach a short ladies, guys. Make it stay sleepy now. When they reach a short we are now going through Bad Rock down to Frankfield. Yeah man, big up to the Manor Road. We were there last night. Big up to Comrade Wint down there in St. Anne. Big up to Comrade Dally. Comrade Wint is also on the motorcade to meet the party leader. We want to big up the former Prime Ministers, the most honorable PJ Patterson. We want to big up the most honorable, the late Michael Manley and his family. Most honorable, the late Norman Manley. We want to big up the most honorable Mama P, the most honorable Portia Simpson Miller. Comrades, from time to time there will be a break in transmission due to the poor internet services that we are having, and I can say this has been happening since they came into power. So from time to time we'll have break in transmission. We're now in Loddy Green heading into Frankfield. For those who would have just joined us, Comrade Peter Bunting is with us, Comrade Richard Azan, the Member of Parliament for Northwestern Clarendon now, tomorrow, next year, and 10 years from now. Comrade Wint is also with us for St. Anne, that is. A section of St. Anne, that is. What are you on? There it is. Up! Clifford Hamilton, today is not your day. Today is Azan Day, and today is Bunting Day, and today is Dr. Phillips Day. We're not entertaining any of you today. No negative vibes today. Today is just a powerful day. PNP River comes on bank to bank in the northwestern Clarendon. Just by the way of information, let me give you some projects that Richard Azan would have done When we speak about Spalding's Cultural Center, we speak about Frankfield Post Office. The patching of this road that we are currently on from White Shop to Grantham. Major road works were done on this road within the past 2 weeks. Yeah, man. This road was done within 2 weeks by Mr. Richard Azan. Vegan's property. The Orange Walk. Jamaica is a beautiful place. More. Yeah. Yes, just said full of straight PNP Day. We not entertain none of them. And let me just remind you that it was irresponsible of Andrew Holness to have called the election in the middle of a pandemic. We must emphasize the fact that this is a government who cares more for power than the needs of the Jamaican people. So in everything that you see on social media, just tagline, careless government for calling an election in the middle of a pandemic. Since the election has been called, yesterday we have had the most cases started to rise. So we have to let it be known that it is careless of Andrew Holness, and he now come with curfew to restrict us, the PNP, from campaigning effectively. But nothing that he does can stop us from gaining this seat in northwestern Clarendon. Every hills and valleys, we will be there. If we have not yet been in your community, you're on the next road trip. Let us not forget Petrojam. Let us not forget CMU. Let us not forget the Ministry of Education. Oh boy. The former minister, I shall not call a name, but we all know. Let us not forget another former minister, state minister in a particular ministry that food is very important, who had to resign recently. Let us not forget the grass of another minister who was just transferred to another ministry. Let us not forget the $600 million debushing in St. Mary. Let us not forget the police cars. Up until now, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has not received the amount that has been paid out by the government for the cars. Deportee. I don't really yet lick Deportee. Deportee probably asleep here now. Forward, Daddy, forward, forward. Let us speak about the Frankfield Library. Let us speak about the
Post office.
Frankfield Post Office. What happened? What happened?
fast at the moment because we're currently en route to meet our leader, our party leader. So we might be going a little bit fast now, but I'm sure on our way up we will do some stops and we will interact with you. And as soon as we get the chance, we will allow Comrade Azan and Comrade Bunting to say hi to the live viewers. So in front of us we have Comrade or MP Richard Azan, and all the way from Central Manchester, Comrade Peter Bunting. Also traveling with us is Comrade Ballington Wint. Turnout here today en route to meet our party leader Peter Phillips. It is a beautiful day here en route to Frankfield. Supporters from all over North, West Clarendon and Central Manchester has joined us on this campaign to meet our party leader Peter Phillips. I know you all are excited to see our party leader Peter Phillips, and I think we all are. Am I right, live viewers? Everybody some fun.
A man that has experience in all ministries that he has served. A man that will lead Jamaica to its rightful place.
Peter Phillips.
I win, you win.
I win, you win. All for the people. MP Richard Azan.
MP with a vision.
I know a lot of you overseas are dying to be here in Jamaica today, to be on this noble mission with us. But that is why we're here, to bring you live coverage of our every move today. So tune in live to MP Richard Azan's page for live footage of today's activity. Power to the people.
Come, turn it up, turn it up.
PNP banks have came down and they are banking on the walls. They are bank to bank. What can we say? The People's National Party, they have ruled Jamaica for so many years. Under their leadership, we have done many things, great things, and you are yet to see what is to come. So on September 3rd, do the right thing and put your ex beside the head. The green man, we call him our Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness. It is time for PNP to resume their power and take back Jamaica and lead it in its right direction. We want to shout out to those online now. We're seeing now Nikki Nix, Colin Lisa, Nordia Coley, Tamika Palmer. Shout out to you on live, Bianca Munda from Frankfield. We're coming to you live. Raquel Brown White present in the house. Yes, one love, Comrade White. O'Neill Smith live on with us today. Kevon Lake. No Sleep Cole is here, so also logged in with us today. En route, we're now in Frankfield. We have just passed the Edwin Allen High School. Remember, Comrade Richard Azana wins, you win. Be smart and put your head beside the head. Now approaching Frankfield town. I got a shout out here to big up Banana Ground Massive. There is our MP, Honorable Richard Azan. We have to give him a task before he even gets it. Coming to you live from Clarendon Huh? Comrade Richard is now one of the most hard-working, hard. What? I don't know. Shoot him and go around him.
Have to go behind you. Have to go in front of you.
Tamika Papa says she's watching all the way from Central St. Mary. Big up Tamika Palmer. Charles Whittaker, big up yourself all the time, Charles. Anthony White, big up yourself. People, National Party straight. Jamar Gregory says sweep, and on September 3rd, 2020, we will definitely sweep out the labor rights. Olive Black said big up all the time. Janet Muir, Jamaicans are tired of Andrew. Marilyn Anderson said every time PNP. Shanice Casanova said PNP to the world. Judy said she's watching all the way from Bahamas. Pick up yourself, Julie. Kevin Lake says watching all the way from St. Kitts. Big up yourself, Kevin. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Charles Whittaker says sweeping out, take over. Jamaica. Cynthia Francis is watching all the way from Florida. Claudia McLeish is tuning to us all the way from New York. Pick up yourself, Claudine McLeish. In Northwest Clarendon. Thank you, Nikki. Xavier Walter said he's tuning all the way from Cayman and he's sweeping them out. Sweep them out. Sweep them out. Anthony White says he's watching, tuning all the way from Florida. Pick up yourself, Anthony White. She's watching all the way from the Cayman Islands. Big up, big up, big up, big up yourself. Jasset, Carlene Hall, big up yourself. Corey, big up yourself. Kevin Ellington, big up yourself. Nigel Lee, big up yourself, big up yourself. Karen Thomas is tuning to us all the way from South Manchester. South Manchester in the place. Pick up yourself, Karen. PNP River come down most definitely. Raquel, why should I welcome the labor rights? There's no room for labor rights on this page. All labor rights must go. Millicent says she's watching all the way from New York. Pick up yourself, Millicent. Darren Forrester all the way from New York. Big up yourself, Darren. Big up, big up, big up, big up. up yourself, big up yourself, don't feel left out. If you don't get a big up, you will get a big up, but there's a lot of comments coming in at this time, and we would like to greet all those who are online. If I don't call your name personally, just big up yourself. PNP to the world, People's National Party rooting for Comrade Richard Azan, most hard-working MP in Jamaica.
Give me the fist, give me the fist, and then I did let me sleep about mine, let me sleep with the teeth in prayer, let me sleep with the false promise. Yo, get your push broom, leave the feeling, get a broom, yo, Julian, get a broom, everybody else, please,
we will sweep them out on September 3rd. Come September 3rd, the People's National Party will most definitely sweep out the Jamaica Labour Party. Coming to you live, we're en route to Chapelton to meet our party leader, our most honorable Peter Phillips. Coming to you live is no other than Sabina Smith from the campaign office of MP Richard Azan. Supporters on the way, People's National Party all the way, and as we say in Jamaica, power to the people, power to the people. We have Ingrid Harrison tuning to us all the way from St. Anne.
The word is power, not power.
Power to the people, and as we chant it in patois, power to the people.
Power.
The Labourers have no life for themselves. I definitely agree with you, Raquel White. So they have to be leeching on the People's National Party line. But we need them to get off our back and get off our lives.
They waited in Alston yesterday for about 6 hours for Andrew. He came there about 9:30 and he spent approximately 6 minutes and left. So when they're here, we just keep them entertained. Joining us today on live, my co-host, Miss Sabina Smith, and I am Johan Myers. We are now en route to Trout Hall to meet the Honorable Dr. Peter David Phillips. We just want to big up the entire People's National Party massive. Big up our 4 Vice President, Damian Crawford, Mikhail Phillips, Philip Paulwell, big up our General Secretary, Julian Robinson. Big up pretty girl Lisa over there in Hanover, in St. Anne rather. Big up Damian. Big up Dayton. See Enriquez over there, so. See Enriquez there. They come off a road. You make me miss this video, they come off a road.
And we have over there the Labourites.
They have come off the road. Enriquez turned off of the road. The depot come off. Oh, when there's the PNP, people come. Them a road.
Big up Imani. Big up Jess.
Big up Angela.
Big up Angela. Big up Bessie. Big up Bianca Munda. We're now entering Charles Hall Square, where our leader party leader awaits us. Our party leader awaits us in Charles Hall Square. A lot of excitement here in Trout Hall as we get into Northwest Clarendon Proud Hall. There is a lot of excitement here, and we just want to shout out to all those who came out to support the People's National Party.
We're in the struggle too. No bastard, no day again. No bastard, no day again.
Picture of the broom. Sabina, take a picture of the broom. Correct.
We have put it on them. Y'all come from a friend. Especially one car with bunting them. When I pull up with you and you. One drink with attention. We don't do the yappy next them. Ankara, Italian, bunting out and bad. Stunting. Them y'all say sweet like pumpkin. Children pile them thick like dumpling. Pile them thick like bunting out and bad. You know. Stunting. Them y'all say sweet like pumpkin. Children pile them thick.
Well, this more hot, so that kill me. Yo.
Hey, bunting, pile them thick like. What we tell them? Couple of wake up to the money, couple keys, couple task, couple Johnny. So long the party never plan it. Yo, that one you're too sick. Vomit, bunting fresh like Portland Beach. Oh, she can't afford, y'all just wait. Just can't kill you the total. Now the money make you get empty. Out and bad. stunting. Them gyal say we sweet like pumpkin. Chewy Kyle them thick like dumpling. What? Kyle them thick like bunting. Out and body now, stunting. Them gyal say we sweet like pumpkin. Chewy Kyle them thick like dumpling. What? Kyle them thick like bunting. Natalie, Rita,
Sun hot. Where? When you done, you just go down to start complete.
Yo, Peter Bunting, stunting. Central Manchester, one to them. Yo, Bunting out and stunting. Kyle them thick like dumpling. Corporate gal them jumping. Action ready for the dumping. Right fresh like Portland Beach. Bunting cast of the dub just race. Just can't kill him the total PB and PNP I am social. Bunting straight like my pants them oh lord. If I style we a put it on depot lord. Can I come vote with a friend? Say she want power with Bunting them. Boom boom when Mark pull up with the yang yang. Warning, change don't change. We not do happy bed friend. Entourage, tell them Bunting out and bad. Stunting, them gala say sweet like pumpkin. Chewing Kyle them thick like dumpling. Kyle them thick like Bunting out and bad. What are he does? It's like a bag. Hey, we could sleep with the rope and that will be mad. All the time you, how we never did pass. It's like Alibaba and the 40 thieves. Right at the money with the ticket, the children. Look under the hell only give to him, friend. We got to read them. Look how them with the church now. Free. Job speak girlfriends and none be we. We can't put them in figure teeth again. So put the PNP and get free of them.
can come around, you come around from the Cattle Road out there. Just go, you will find in a hard, that road there. Alright, we are in Trout Hall, awaiting the arrival of the party leader.
Everybody, give me the fist, give me the fist, give me the fist. And then the ear. Make we free for bad mind. Make we free for the thief in crime. Make we free for the false promise. Yo, one thing, get your push room. Peter Phillips, get a room. Yo, Syria, get a room. Everywhere, sway, Monty, sway, Peter, sway, Julian, sway, Mark, sway, Peter Phillips, sway, Angela, sway, Ian, sway, Paul, sway, Hassan, sway,
No.
Just like a new street shot, you know. People are funny truck there, I truck, I
Say something about Mr. Hassan.
Mr. Hassan is great. Mr. Hassan is marvelous. Mr. Hassan has done so much for Northwest Clarendon. Mr. Hassan deserves his seat, and that is without question.
Say something about MP Hassan.
MP Hassan deserves at what? Third term? Yes, good. And one of the main reasons why I'm out here as a diabetic fighting the battle, I have a bridge that I need and I am working towards it. I mean, I wait long after the winnings need about a week. You're supposed to hear what go on feed. Southwood Bridge, 200 and maybe more than that residents, and I need my bridge or our bridge. I thank you. Bye.
Comrade Williams from the Reaches Division, what are we doing here today?
You know, we have a drive-through today with the party president and Honorable Peter Bunting, because some little man said they want this seat. I don't know exactly which seat they mean or what seat they mean, but I know for sure Mr. Hassan, the candidate for Northwest Clarendon, will be heading straight back to Garden House. Thank you very much.
Big up yourself. We are in Trout Hall awaiting the arrival of the party leader. With us, we still have Comrade Peter Bunting, we have Comrade Hassan, we have media personnel here with us from Party HQ and the media houses. We have our supporters out in their numbers, and with us we have Comrade Hackett, former councillor for the Frankfield Division. We have Comrade Gordon, Comrade Shirley, Comrade Steve Williams, who would have just spoke with you.
to express how much concern.
Brenda.
Brenda gone back in my
Alright. Brenda, as soon as you say the passport that come down here. Let me welcome each and every one who joining us on the motorcade today. Welcome to live as we tour today, joined by party leader Dr. Peter Phillips and Comrade Peter Bunting joining us today. We're asking each and every one who are on the motorcade, please observe the road code and also remember our protocol of COVID, and we're asking you please wear your mask. Thank you.
Alright, there you have it. MP candidate and the next MP for Northwestern Clarendon, Richard Azan. We still await the arrival of the party leader. With us now is Comrade Gordon from the Swallings Division. Hold this and make it man so hot.
Chap, water in the back, give more water. We're now in Chapeltown waiting on our party leader, the Dr. Peter Phillips, as he is almost here, but we still have a few minutes to go before he arrives.
Yo, Peter Bunting.
Catch my body left.
Central Mountain.
You're sending the pictures in the group, right?
Yo, Peter Bunting. Stunting. Central Manchester, one to them. Yo, Bunting out and stunting. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Comrade gal them jumping. Action ready for the pumping. My fresh like port and beef. Bunting castle in up to face. Just calculate the total PB and PNP I am social. Bunting straight like the punch them all. Lord, if I try we put it on them all. Can I come foot bring a friend? Say she want power with Bunting them. Who when man pull up with the yen. One change. Yo, Peter Bunting. Central Manchester, one to them. Yo, Bunting out and stunting. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Comrade gal them jumping. Action ready for the pumping. Man fresh like pork and beef. Bunting castle it down to sweet. Just calculate the total PB and PNP I am social. Bunting straight like the pants them all. Lord, if I style we put it on them all. Can I come foot with a friend? Say she want bar with Bunting them. One change. We don't have that leg friend. And tell them Bunting out and man. Stunting. Them gonna say sweet like pumpkin.
Alright, so we're still in Chowtal. Still in Chowtal.
Stunting. Them gonna say sweet like pumpkin. Chewing Kyle and tick like hey Bunting. Kyle and tick like who tell them? Our party leader and the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Dr. Peter David Comrade of Northwest Clarendon, let us welcome our party leader, the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Dr. Peter David Phillips.
Almighty God, we just want to give you thanks today, God. We don't want to pay this after you, Almighty God. We thank you, Almighty God, for our common leader, Almighty God. We thank you, God, for each and every one today, God. We thank you for every concert, every member, Almighty God, and we are here today, Almighty God. We give you thanks, God. We praise your name, we lift you up, we glorify you, we exalt you, Almighty God. And we ask you, Almighty God, for journey, mercy, God, for the rest of the day, Almighty God. You are leader, direct, and people are mercy, God. In Jesus' name.
Comrades, let me welcome our party leader, Comrade Peter Phillips, to Northwest Clarendon. Let us have a deep welcome to Dr. Peter Phillips. Let us also welcome Comrade Peter Bunting, our neighbor. Professor, as we understand that the change in protocol for COVID, so therefore, comrades, we're going to ask each and every one, please wear your mask, and there are no stopping at certain location, and we're asking you, please drive carefully. Comrades, for this, I want to especially welcome you to Northwestern Clarendon. Northwestern Clarendon is special to all of us, and especially to me, Richard Azan. We have been trying our best here in Northwestern Clarendon and doing what we can able to do for the people of Northwestern Clarendon. We have a number of issues that I know that you will be addressing, that you know that is top on our agenda here in Northwestern Clarendon. When we form the next government, on the 3rd of September, the People's National Party will be the next government of Jamaica. Because we're going to sweep out Bogard and the entire team. So once again, comrades, welcome, and I pass over now to the party leader. Thank you, Comrade Richard Azan. Comrades of Northwest Clarendon, how you doing? I want to recognize Richard Azan. I want to recognize Comrade Peter Bunting, campaign director of the People's National Party campaign, and to all the comrades, the workers, the warriors, the stalwarts, the heroes of the People's National Party. One love. Comrades, are you ready to sweep them out? We have a special task to perform, because Northwest Clarendon has had good representation from Richard Azan for many years. And we intend to elect him again as the standard bearer of the People's National Party. But one of the key tasks that we have to perform is to bring water to the households here in Northwest Clarendon. Communities like Silent Hill, Cumberland, and other communities around that need water. For 4 striking years, the Jamaica Labour Party government has done nothing to improve the water supply conditions of Northwest Clarendon. We are going to make that change, and we're going to also undertake the transformation of agriculture with land titling, so that who have land and work in the land can get a title and become a main stakeholder in the economic life of the country. As we move on, comrades, we're going to talk about more things, about training for the youth, about rent to own your own house with NHD,
because we come to build a Jamaica that works for everybody. We are building your Jamaica, the people in Jamaica that have an opportunity for everybody. We are on the move. It looks like everywhere we go, the laborers say they want to come and follow back away. So we go for Frankie and the next follow back away. Respect.
Get into your cars and follow the movement train orderly.
Why not that one I see me now? Why not? Oh, in the start. Yes, ma'am. Miss Rose?
Yo, you're...
Miss Rose? Yeah.
Nobody comes in front of you. Already that far behind.
Hot man, hot God. No, I want shirt. I want shirt, no man. The rest man is hot. Outside the field so at all. Comrades, we're just lining up to move out of Trout Hall. Let me apologize for
You want me to come and see you want?
the tardiness.
Like my boy. Okay.
Hold on, see. We just try cool this.
Ready for this?
Hold on. We just try get out of here first.
I think you can make it.
Regina! Tell him he can't move. Our security, them know.
It's starting to cool down. So you have to come put your iPhone in to cool down before you use
inside. So no, I can just realize how far with it.
Wait, but then come through first.
Come in, Bongo, come in, Bongo.
Mark, let him. Come in, councillor.
Councillor, come. On the safari. Are you the safari?
Say power.
Power! People!
On the safari.
Give me flag. Where flag on the shoulder? Me put on shoulder. Me put on flag inside. Look if you see it. Let me show them. No, that's the way.
It's done. Hold on, George. Hold on. Make him come. Adin, you know. Me just can't manage.
Coming to you live from Trout Hall, we were joined by our party leader, Honorable Peter Phillips. In front we have Comrade Richard Azan, and behind him closely we have our MP from Central Manchester, Peter Bunting, and we are en route to spoil them. But first we had to stop in some small communities and make them know that our MP, our opposition, our party leader is here with us.